All right, here we are at our 2019 Harris Cruiser 230. This is a rental fleet pontoon boat being sold here on the beautiful freshwaters of Norris Lake, Tennessee. This has only been rented to one season, and it's going to have transferable warranty through May of 2020. It's a 23-foot pontoon boat powered by a Mercury 90 horsepower 4-stroke outboard motor. Now, at the time of the video, I don't have the exact engine hours. Those are expected to be around 200 hours, maybe even less, but you're going to want to go to our website, www.yournewboat.com, click the Find Your New Boat button, and scroll down. All of our inventory is listed in order prices. Just scroll down until you get to the 2018 Harris Cruiser 230. We'll probably list all these separately because of this particular rental fleet boat. There's different colors available, so you'll be able to look for the tan one or the beige one, and you'll see the current asking price for this one, and then of course you'll be able to click into that listing and see the exact engine hours. Of course, you contact us through our website with any questions. You can reach us by phone, by text, or by email. If you ever call us on the phone, get our voicemail, would like a return phone call, please leave a detailed message. Let me know which listing you're looking at, what questions you have. We're very frequently in areas without cell phone reception, so if you don't leave a message, we won't know that you called. So this one's rated for 11. Now, here at your helm station, we do have a functioning horn. I hit the master power switch. There's your functioning horn. Navigation lights are working on this one. You've got a Fusion stereo. This is an AM, FM, Bluetooth capable stereo with 4 speakers. You got a Lowrance hook 4 depth and fish finder. You've got dual USB power outlets here, in addition to your 12-volt power outlet here. You've got engine drive trim, engine tachometer, fuel gauge. All that there at your driver's helm. Now, again, this one's rated for 11. You've got 15 cup holders on this one. And again, 4 stereo speakers. You've got the luxury woven vinyl flooring. 3-gate layout. That means you can board the boat from the front, port side, or the rear. Back here on the back of the boat, we've got a ski tow bar. You've got a 4-step swim boarding ladder, 31-gallon fuel capacity. Again, this rental fleet has transferable warranty on it. So like this corner plate right here, this is going to be replaced before this boat is sold. Also, we've got canvas Bimini top. Now, this Bimini right now has got a small little tear in that corner. This Bimini top canvas is getting replaced. So you're gonna have basically those corner plates will all be repaired. Although it's just the one on this one, and then you'll have new canvas on the Bimini top. This also comes with a full mooring cover, just like the boat beside me, and also has a removable lounge table. Now, that table hasn't even been mounted yet, so you can take your pick whether you want to mount it back here in the back or up here in the bow section. This is also, now there's no changing room, but it has a pop-up changing room compatible layout. So this is where that would mount, and then that would the bracket would go here, and that would fold up. If you wanted to change a room, that can be added for an additional cost. So now I do want to show you, there is one wear area on this port side corner right here near this Cruiser 230 logo. Now this ding is not going to be repaired. So that will be sold as is. Everything else on here is going to get repaired. And this one, they would be willing to discount this price a little bit because of that ding on that port side. So again, this is the 2019 Harris 230 Cruise rental fleet pontoon. This is the beige one. You've got the plastic molded seat bases in this. Most of these are all on a hinge. You've got a built-in wastebasket here under this seat back. Just a very nice layout. This in Harris's boats, they use the same grade of upholstery in their entry-level boats like this one as they do on their high-end boats. So, and again, this is the only rental fleet that we sell that has transferable warranty on it. This has only been used the one season, so you're getting basically a like new Harris pontoon boat with that low maintenance flooring and low maintenance 4-stroke outboard engine at a discounted price. Again, contact us through the website to see the current asking price Contact us with any questions. There's a couple at the time of this video, there's a couple of these to pick from. But these sometimes go quickly. And that's www.yournewboat.com. Contact us through there with any questions. And right about now, you'll see the yournewboat.com logo pop up in the top right hand corner of the screen. You can click that and you'll be subscribed to our YouTube channel, and then that will notify you of any new listings that hits our area. Sometimes it's pontoons, sometimes it's tritoons, cabin, cruisers, floating cabins, houseboats, and more for sale here on the Norris Lake area. Thank you again for joining us.